Okay, week 3, final video for week 3, upper body. So last week we did just arms, and you might recall we had a few different arm positions that in the final analysis, turned into an arm out and an arm down, beach ball arms, one beach ball on top, one beach ball below, back to one up, one down, beach ball arms, one on top, one below, yeah? So we had basically 2 positions, but you could think of it as 4 because we have 2 different arms to go with. And that will then be smoothed into something more like this, but we haven't done anything with our shoulders yet. That was all just arm positions and kind of how to get from position to position. But there's also shoulder involvement in all of that. So for this week's exercise to affect the upper body, we're going to work on some shoulder stuff. So I want you to start with your arms down. And now bring your shoulders down and back. Have your best posture so your abs are engaged. You're pushing up nice and tall. Shoulders are down. And now I want you to take the insides of your elbows, meaning this really sensitive part right here. Rotate them forward and out as much as you can. And I want you to feel how that rotation translates into your shoulder blades kind of rolling back. Yeah? And now roll them the opposite direction. So now you're rolling the insides of your elbows toward your body and then back as much as you can without letting your shoulders hunch. So what we don't want is for our spine to react to this. The shoulders can react, but not the spine. So here, now everything's rolled forward, everything's rolled back. Everything's rolled forward, everything is rolled back. Now we're going to do that same thing. I want you to do that a bunch of times though. Now we're going to try the same thing as sort of the second step with the arms out at shoulder height. So here now we have elbows rotated, inner elbows rotated up, and you should feel that same rotation in your shoulder blades, the muscles really pulling your shoulder blades in and down, and then roll them so that your inner elbows point down as much as you can. Mine don't point down really at all, but this is as far as I can rotate. Yeah, so again, without allowing it to hunch your back, your shoulders will move a little bit, but you don't want your spine to actually change position while doing this. So we're staying really nice and tall, really good posture, and just rotating, feeling how this rotation affects your shoulder blades. So later, what we're working toward is being able to add shoulder strength and action to these arm positions that we've already worked on. Yeah? So that's where we're going with this. But first, I want you to really feel how that internal and external rotation affects your shoulder blades so that you can do it really intentionally. Okay.